Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Maxim Dlugy and Wang-Sheng. This very beautiful chess game was played in New York in 1979. What were you doing in 1979? Can you remember? Maxim Dlugy had white pieces and he started with e4. Wang-Sheng played e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to c4, the Italian game, two knights defense, knight to g5, going for the fried liver attack. Maybe. Black to move. How to defend the pawn? On f7. Wang-Sheng played bishop to c5. d5 is the standard move. Bishop to c5, the Traxler, counterattack. White to move. Bishop takes on f7 check was played. Knight takes on f7 is the most played move. And one lovely miniature goes like this. Bishop takes on f2 check. King takes bishop. Knight takes on e4 check. The best square for the king is g1, but if king goes to e3, this is what happens then. Queen to h4. Knight takes rook. Queen to f4 check. King to e2. Queen to f2 check. King to d3. Knight to b4 check. King takes knight. And there is checkmate in one. Queen to f4 checkmate. To avoid something of this kind, Maxim Dlugy played bishop takes on f7 check. King to f8, bishop to b3. Mission accomplished. Black lost castling rights, and white king is not at risk, like in the previous variation. Maybe. Black to move. d5, a pawn sacrifice to activate the bishop on c8. The offer was not accepted. Maxim goes for the maximum security of his king. If e takes on d5, knight to d4 is one of the several possible responses by black. Back to our game, we have a castling king's side. h6, attacking the knight. White to move, e takes on d5. If knight to f3, d takes on e4, and black is better, believe it or not. E takes on d5. H takes on g5. And the file for the rook is open. How relevant is that? D takes on c4. e4. Very important little move. The purpose of this move will be revealed soon. White to move. What is the best move for white in this position? Maxim Dlugy played knight to c3, going for the development. d4 would be the best move. And after bishop to d6, g3. This is a better variation for white. Knight to c3 was played. Black to move. How would you continue now? Wang-Sheng played queen to d6. All of a sudden, black is threatening checkmate. g3. Bishop to g4, attacking the queen. C takes on b7, attacking the rook. Rook to e8. Queen to e1. Bishop to f3. Should I mention that black king is much safer than white castled king? Knight to e2. And we have reached the most interesting moment of the game. It is black to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for black. You didn't pause, did you? Okay, never mind. I will show you the move. Rook takes on h2. Did you see this one coming? King takes rook. Okay, what is the follow-up? Knight to g4 check. King to g1. Black played a move and white resigned, and the move is... What is the move? The move is queen to h6. White resigned. Why? Well, nobody knows. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.